So today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of cash buyers versus realtors. If you're thinking about selling your home but not sure if you should go with a cash buyer or a real estate agent, both have their advantages and some drawbacks you need to know before making a decision. I'm Kristen with Driven2 Solutions, and in this video we'll break down the pros and cons of selling to a cash buyer versus working with a realtor, so you can choose the option that fits your timeline, your goals, and your peace of mind. So first, what's the difference? So let's quickly define both. A cash buyer is typically an individual investor or company that buys properties outright. No bank financing, no mortgage approval process. And a realtor lists your property on the market to find the best possible buyer, which could be cash or financed. Each path works, but they work differently. Here's what's great about cash buyers: speed, as-is sales, certainty, flexibility. With an as-is cash buyer, you're going to get speed. Many deals close in as little to 7 to 14 days. As-is sales, you can skip repairs, cleaning, and staging. Uncertainty, no financing means no risk of the deal falling through because a bank said no. Flexibility, many cash buyers can work around your move-out date. And if you need to relocate fast, avoid foreclosure, or you don't want to deal with showings, a cash buyer can be a lifesaver. Now, the trade-offs. You are going to get a lower offer. Cash buyers often offer below market value because they take on the repairs and the resale risk. Scam risk. Not all cash buyers are reputable. Some try to pressure you into signing quickly without explaining the deal. Less market exposure. Your home won't be seen by as many buyers who might pay more. If top dollar is your main goal and you have time, cash may not be your best choice. Now, let's talk about realtors. Working with a realtor, you have maximum exposure. Your home hits the MLS, online platforms, and marketing channels to reach more buyers. Then you have a potential for higher price because the competition can drive offers above asking price. Expert negotiations. Realtors handle offers, counter offers, and terms. And guidance through the process, especially valuable if you're unfamiliar with selling. Now the downsides. It may be a longer timeline. It can take weeks or months to find a buyer and close. Repairs and staging. Most buyers want move-in ready homes. So they're looking for that home that's really going to pop. Commission fees is usually 5 to 6% of the sale price. And uncertainty. If a buyer's financing falls through, you have to start over. So here's the bottom line. Which is right for you? If you need speed, convenience, and no repairs, a cash buyer could be your best option. Just make sure they're reputable. If you have time and want top dollar, a realtor in a traditional sale might make more sense. At Driven2 Solutions, we offer you the best of both worlds. We are licensed realtors, and we also have cash as-is buyers. We actually help sellers compare both options side by side, so you can make this decision that is best for you based on real numbers, not just guesses. No matter which route you take, the key is working with people you trust. If you want to see what your home could sell for, both on the market and to a cash buyer, reach out to me at Driven2 Solutions. I'm Kristen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.